Well, hey guys, figure I'd show some of the progress that I've come up with for the generator coils for the big 4-foot wheel. I've been working on these for about a week, doing some different testing with different wiring. There is 12 sets of generator coils currently. I have enough to do 24 sets of 3 all the way around the wheel. I have enough magnets to do 24 sets of north-south, which would be 5 each, 10, 240 magnets. I'm not real sure yet exactly how I want to configure. If I go to full traction motor, I'm going to use all north fields, not a north-south configuration, and get the same generator effect from just bucking coils. So I'll show kind of where we're at on the power factor. I'll set you guys up on the stand. Well, currently I have 3/4 of an inch gap between my generator coils and the magnets. I'm doing that for cogging purposes. I'm going for a very lens-free generator. Currently, with this configuration, I've got less than a half-inch or half-pound pull between coils. So it's pretty lens-free at the moment. So let me get you over here. We'll do some voltage readings real quick. I do have it running from a rectifier into a cap. We also have an LED light here that we'll be using for a light load for the open voltage readings. So instantly we are running, back this up just a little bit. Running a little at 8 volts with them RPMs, which ain't real fast. Like we'd be doing lucky if it's doing 50 RPMs right now. It is under the LED load. So we're getting a good 10 volts out of it. We'll run up again. We'll do a dead amp short. I've had it up to a 1/2 amp with this distance and configuration. Not real impressive results for me. Lost the voltmeter. There we go. run it up. Take the light off, just fill the cap. We can pump the cap up pretty fast. I could take this compressor after the cap's pumped up. So that's pretty much where I'm at on the generator side. Like I said, I do have enough coils to double what's here already. So it'll give me 24 sets all the way around the big wheel. And if I can keep it as lens free as I've been getting it, which I think the 3/4 of an inch is still a little close. Steady 7 volts there. So I should definitely be able to get the voltage up by adding more coils in series, because they're all in series. I've got a few on each one that buck. First 2 buck, then 3 and 1 will buck. We got enough to get them on here. So I can explain here how I did my coils. This was the washing machine stators that you might see in some of the other videos. They're just laying around, or the one motor I built had it on there. I basically busted the center plastic ring out, went back through, started at the center tap on the washing machine stator, cut them down into the individual coils here. I did that all the way around so I could get them wires off or from crossing the plastic where I was going to cut it. Then all I really did was take a grinder on the inside, cut the piece in half first, makes it a little easier to work with, tilt her up. I wanted sections of 3. So I just ran a cutoff wheel on the grinder between the ones that I wanted here. And I actually got lucky enough and cut the whole set and didn't nick a single coil. I'd basically go through the steel till you get down to that last piece of plastic coating there. And you're able just to wiggle a little bit and twist it and mess with it a little bit, and it'll break off. And there's a little bit of other cleaning that you got to do on them to get some kind of mounting screws or brackets or whatever, but that's basically how I did it. This is the backing plate for the wheel. You gotta love the coast times on these things. The heavier them flywheels are, the longer these things will just spin and spin and spin. Like, so this backing plate, as you can kind of see, I've got a line traced of the wheel. So after I add the 24 sets of magnets around the wheel, which might become 48 north poles, with 24 sets of 3 singles all the way around. So in total, I'll have a total of 72 coils around it. Here on this configuration, if there's 12 by 3, you got 36 coils all the way around here, singles. So, I don't know, I hope you guys enjoy the update. Like, it's going to take me a minute to get a lot of it together. I'm really excited to see what the results will be for adding more coils on a bigger wheel